Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the new series where we can understand about that how we can use the admin portal of M365. So if you are working in the organization and wants to manage the users activities and create user group multi things that you need to do it, so the M365 admin portal can help you to manage all the activities. So here you have a customized option that you can use it to enhance the security of your organization and the productivity as well. So if you want that you need to take a control of the user activities, so this will can help you. So firstly we'll discuss about the admin portal. So before that, if you are the global admin user, you will got this option, otherwise you will not be able to get it because you are the user only. So in this tenant, I have the admin portal, I have the admin credential, so I just click on the admin options. So it will automatically redirect to me in the admin portal. So in the admin portal, this is the our we can say this is the our home page where you can get multiple options over there. This is the dashboard that you can change as per your requirement. Even so firstly we'll discuss about the I'm moving the dashboard view. Add user, reset password, add group. If you have already connected with your M365 and active directory, or you can say the Azure Active Directory with on-premises Active Directory, it will automatically give you. This will show you like this to sync status. I have shut down the machine, so that's why it's showing them 3 hours last syncing for the 3 hours. So these multi things that you can use it. You have the option. Okay, so firstly we'll today we are going to discuss about the users activities and users, how you can create a user. So first, if we are clicking on the user sections, in the user section we have the four options: the active user, contact user, and the guest user and deleted user. So active user is basically that you have created the account but didn't delete it. Okay, so already reside in the active user section, so it will showing you as the active user. Okay, the second one is the contact, that if you have migrated your environment from third party or GSO to M365, so they have a particular list of the contact, or you want to publish it for your organization. So whole people will automatically fetch it the data from there. Okay, so third one is the guest user. In the guest user, if you want that the third party user, like the outside your organization, you have working in a particular project and you want that that user will be part of my group or manage my organization data, like Azure environment as well as the M365 portal. So you can add put as a guest user here. So firstly you have to invite it for as a guest user, and after that once they have accept the request, they will automatically appear in the guest user section. In the guest user section, then you can apply the license permission. So it's up to you that what you can want to do. Okay, so the deleted user is the, if for example if you have deleted some users from your active user sections, so it will automatically reside in the deleted user. So as per the Indian policy, that if you have deleted any of the user, it will keep in the deleted user up to 30 days with data. Okay, so before 30 days if you have recovered the users, that user will automatically you can say uh, data will be there. So after 30 days if you want to recover it, that will not be able to do it possible, so because it will delete it from permanently from the deleted user section. Okay, so first I one discuss about the active user. So in the active user we have the multiple option, that add user, user template, add multi-user, multi-factor authentication. If I am clicking in the add user section, how you can create it? So is for example, so first basic option is to create a user type the name of the user. So okay, so I am putting the name of you can say the ABC. Okay, and the last name is DEF. Okay, so display name will automatically appear. But if you want to change the display name, okay, so what is the display name? It when you somebody you sent a mail to any of the external user, they will appear your name. So that was the display name. So it that end user will uh, see your name with your mail ID. Okay, so that is the display name. So I am putting ABCDEFG. Okay, ABCDEF. Okay, so for example, I have put it this display name, but display name should be a smaller case. But it's up to you. You can put it as a capital for first letter, and rest of the small letter. So ABCDEF, that kind of, that you can use it. Okay, so the third one is the username, that how you can create a username. Okay, so username, it's up to you, that you can use anywhere. If you can put it as the same as a display name, same as the first name last name, or you can do anything. I am putting the abc.com. Okay, so abcestl.in, and I can use the M365, or you can use this custom domain as well as. So we will cover up the how we can add the custom domain in it. Okay, so I have the option that automatically create password. So it will automatically create a password based on their predefined, you can say the predefined, Microsoft defined the combining characters of the password. So you can choose this one option, or otherwise either you can create a custom or password. So I am putting the password, the custom password. Once I have created, it will check the policy of the password. Once you have cleared it, then it will showing you the status of the passwords. So this will show you the status of the password. And the fourth one, the last one, is the required this user to change their password when they first login. So basically what it is like, for example, if you have put it any of the password, but the user need to keep their own password, so they can use this option. Okay, so require this user to change their password. So I just put in the I just click on the checkbox. So user have the permission. They once they have logged in, it will automatically ask you the reset password section. So I am just remove it from there. Okay, I don't require it. So I'm just going to the next. Okay, in the next it will ask you the location. So basically, if you have purchased the subscription from different locations, or you can purchase the, for example, I have we are from the India, so we can select the India. If someone is from, say, purchase the tenant from the Singapore multi, it's not a multi-tenant tier or multi-location. You cannot, it will uh, attach with the, or it will stuck only of the only the location. So for example, if you have create a tenant from US, so it will showing you the US location. So it's a singular location is there. After that, we have the option to create assign the product license. What kind of license you have? So I have the power automations license, I have the E5 license, but it's already using with some other user. But if once you have purchased it, it will automatically showing appear you the number of the license, assigned license, and free license. So these kind of things that you can use it. You can select the multiple license, but you have to check if you have if you are purchasing a multiple license, so that was compatible with that or not. So you have to see this. The fourth one is that you didn't have the license, but you need to create a user, and once the license will assign to in your portal, you can uh, assign it. So this is the option that you can choose it. After that, once, for example, I have selected the power app option. Okay, so I have clicked on it, I have checked it. So it will give you the bundle of the application. So for example, if I have selected the E5 license, it will showing me the list of the E5 license comes under the if a list of the application comes under the E5 license. So these things that you can show is once you next it. And now is the optional setting. Why it is? Because by default it give you the role of the user. But if you want to create a user with a specific role, so we have the two options. One is this user, which is by default, but admin center access, if you need to provide with someone, so you can select each, or we can say select the multiple option, you can say the access for user. So if you have the global admin access of the account, you don't require any of the other role for to manage the tenant. Okay, so firstly we use the user one, because we are creating as a user profile information. You need to put your job title, department, office, officer, these things that you can use it. You can select it. Okay, next, and then finish. So what once you have finished it, it will automatically create a user in your tenant. Or what you can do, you can share the login credential with that user, so that will use that user will access the M365. So I'm just giving you the idea that what kind of apps comes under the E5 license and how you can manage it. Okay, so we'll go with the license section. In the license section, having I have already assigned the E5 license to Adela, and if I'm clicking on the app section, you can see we have the multiple app and license under this E5 license. So E5 license have the multiple AD plan 1, AD plan 2. It comes with the Intune, Defender, Exchange plan 2. Multiple option, multiple licenses already assigned to comes under this bundle, E5 bundle. Okay, so for example, if you want to block the sign in user, so you once click on it, it will automatically uh, block the user's login. Also, what you can do, you want to reset the password of the user, you can delete the user, these things that you can use it. So the we will cover these one by one option in the next video. Thanks for watching my video.